Not talking about the kind of snow they see in Buffalo, but we don't normally see snow in the Bay Area at all. Even tiny flurries are enough to get us excited. Snow was falling along Highway 17 in the Santa Cruz Mountains earlier. This is past the summit, about 1,800 feet up, and it could snow still at even lower elevations. And if you're feeling jaded about a couple of snowflakes, try looking at it through the eyes of a child.
It's really snowing here. Seriously. It's super cool. I just love it so much.
We actually just moved out here, and I'm like, I am just at awe right now. I've never seen snow out here in the Bay at all. So it's really exciting.
Yeah, because on the news they said it was going to snow out.
I was actually in Hayward visiting my mom, and she was also talking, it's going to snow. Make sure you look out for the snow. If you see it, get out in video and take pictures. So that's what we're doing.
That little girl's a savvy news consumer. Okay, so there's also snow in parts of San Mateo County tonight. This was along Skyline Boulevard in La Honda. It's only a thin layer of snow.